Hello, I am Pankaj Sharma from PM Expert. Today we will explore the basics of quantum computing in a simple and visual way. First, let's compare a regular computer bit with a quantum computer qubit. A bit is like a light switch. It can be off, meaning 0, or on, meaning 1. Now, a qubit is different. It can be 0 and 1 at the same time, using a quantum idea called superposition. A good analogy is a spinning coin. Think of a regular bit as a coin lying flat. It is heads or tails. A qubit is like a spinning coin. While it spins, it is kind of both. Next, there is entanglement. Two qubits can become linked. If one becomes heads, the other becomes heads too, even if far apart. Why is this powerful? Imagine 1,000 boxes with a prize in one of them. A regular computer checks one box at a time. A quantum computer can explore many at once. With n qubits, a quantum computer can represent 2 to the n possibilities at the same time. For example, with 300 qubits, the number of possibilities is 2 to the 300, which is more than the number of atoms in the universe. That is why quantum computing is promising for new medicines, super strong security codes, and solving huge math puzzles. In summary, goods are simple switches, but qubits are spinning coins. Superposition and entanglement give quantum computers their power. Thanks for learning with me today.